Good morning to all of you. Today we will start from page number 39, exercise 2.5. Here your first question is, solve each of the following. Question A, Raja has 578 mangoes and his brother has 245 mangoes together. How many mangoes do they have? So, Raja has 578 mangoes. So, what you write here? Raja has how many? 578. Right? So, you have to write here 578. And his brother. His brother has how many? 245. So you have to write 245. I write from this side, but you always write from back side. This is not wrong, but if you write from back side, so your way of writing is always correct. So always remember, first number you have to write from front side, but after that you can write any number. You have to write from back side. You have to write first 5, after that 4, and after that 2. Okay. Now what is this? Addition sign. So we have to add both these numbers. So here we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13. So we all know we have to write 3 here and 1 as carry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what you have? 12. You have to write 2 here and 1 as carry. We already have done this. So I am doing directly. I hope you can understand this. Why we write 1 here and why we write 2 here. Okay. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 823. This is your answer. Together they have 823 mangoes. Now question number B. Sam had 524 pens and Salman had 387 pens more than Sam. How many pens did Salman have? So, here we have Sam. How many? 524. Sam had 524 pens. Now Salman had how many? More than Sam. Salman had 387 more pens from Sam. Right? So here we have to write from back side 7, 8 and 3. 387. So total Salman had total number of pen. We have to add both these numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 you have to write here and 1 as carry. 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to write 1 here and 1 as carry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write 9 here. So Salman had 911 pens. Now we will come in question number 2. Our question number 2 is, solve the following problem in your notebook. This is your word problem again. So question A is, Neelima, Seema and Mandira bought 420, 105 and 215 bananas respectively. how many bananas did they buy in all? So Nilima bought 420 bananas, Seema bought 105 bananas, Mandira bought 215 bananas. So what we have to find? How many bananas they all bought. So here again we have to do addition in this. So we can understand this here. First, how many bananas? Nilima bought 420 bananas. Seema bought 105 bananas, and Mandira bought 215 bananas. Now you have to add all these numbers. 420, 105, 215. 5 and 5 we have 10. 1 we have to write here and 1 as carry. 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of banana is 740. So this is your answer. Now question number 2. Question number B. A train is carrying 1248 passengers. At the next station, 465 more passengers get into a train. Here a train carry how many passenger? 1248 passenger, right? After that, the next station, how many passenger get in the train? 465. So you have to find total number of passenger. How many passenger in train now? So what we can do in this question? Yes, we have to add both these number. So now you can understand this question. So you can do this question. This is your homework. You have to do this question. You have to try at least. If you can do this question, you can do. This is very simple. You have to add this number and this number and you get your answer. Okay, so you have to do question number B. You can do this. Now after that we will come exercise 3.1, page number 43. Here your question 1 is find the difference in each of the following. You have to find difference. You have to minus both these numbers. This is simple. You have to minus both these numbers. So this is 6. You have to minus 2 from 6. So you get 4. You have to minus 4 from 7. So you get 3. You have to minus 3 from 5. So you get 2. You have to minus 1 from 2. So you get 1. So this is your answer. Now you have to follow same process in question B, question C and question D. This is very simple. This is simple difference, simple subtraction. Okay. Now Question number 2. Write the numbers in the column and subtract. Here we have question A. We have two numbers. First we have to write both these numbers correctly in the box, and after that we have to subtract both these numbers. So the rule of subtraction we all know. We have to write bigger number on top. So which number is bigger in both these numbers? This number. So we have to write bigger number on top. So 2743. After that we can write second number, which is this. So we have to write from back side. We all know why we write from back side, because this is the right way to solve any question. So here we have 3 and 0. So we have to minus 0 from 3. So what you get? 3. We have to minus 2 from 4. So what you get? 2, right? If you don't understand how we can do this, so you can count on your fingers. After that, if you don't understand, you can follow this. You have to write 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 2 number, what you get? 1 and 2. Okay, but always remember, if you do this in your fingers, this is the better way you can do. Now what is this? 7. You have to minus 6 from 7. So what you get? You have to count in your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you have to minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you get? 1. 1. So here you have write 1. Here you have 2, 1, 2. Minus 1. So what you get? 1. So you have to write here 1. So you have to follow same process in this and this. This is very simple. You can do this. First you have to write bigger number on top, and after that you can write second number and you have to minus both these numbers. This is simple difference. Simple subtraction. You can do this.